Good morning student. We are learning protection and maintenance of structure. In that our topic is structural health monitoring or long term structural health monitoring. So first of all, what is structural health monitoring? It is a process to find out the damage in our engineering structure or to find a strategy for our engineering structure. So by definition, the process of implementing a damage detection, so damage detection to find a damage and characterization strategy for engineering structure to find a damage in our engineering structure is called structural health monitoring. I have word damage. So here damage means change in the geometric property of the structure which will affect the performance of the structure. Means the change in any structure which will affect in its performance is called a damage. So here damage is defined as a change to the material and or geometric property which will adversely affect the system performance. Clear? Now this SHM process, this SHM process involves the observation of a system. Means it will observe our system for a time, for a long time, because long time structural and it will give you a reading for a periodical data for a long time, and this data will find by using numbers of sensors. They provide numbers of sensors or array of sensors. So SHM process involves the observation of a system over a time using a periodically sample dynamic response measurement from an array of the sensor. Clear? From various numbers of sensor they find the information for a period time. Clear? Now the damage you find or the extraction of damage is, and the features of the damage are found out. From this you will find a damage or the features of the damage you will find out, and these features are statically analyzed to find the present condition of our structure. So it will give the present or current state of the system. So the extraction of our damage or sensitive features from this measurement and the statistical analysis of this feature to determine the current state of our structural health, system health. Clear? From damage or features, the statistical analysis of this feature will determine the present state of our system. Clear? This is the damage analysis. Now the for a long term structural health monitoring, the output is the process of periodical updated information. Means it will give information periodically, and this information about what? The structure performance or its functioning in terms of the function is light, function is inevitable, or function is degradation. Means it will give the information periodically about our structure, that how it is functioning at present. It is functioning lightly, it is functioning inevitable, or its functioning is degraded. Clear? So what will be the output of the SHM? It will give the information regarding our functioning of our structure, and functioning in terms of light, inevitable, or degradation. That is long term structural health monitoring output. And why it is used? When you have seen some cases like earthquake or blast that will affect our structure more, and after the earthquake or after this type of event there will be damage in our structure, and this SHM tool is very effective in this type of structure. So after extreme events such as earthquake or blast, this SHM will provide you a data, or the damage detection will be done quickly, or it will give you a time reliable data. Means at present data that will find your properties or damage or integrity in your structure at present condition. So SHM is used for rapid condition screening and aim to provide real time data or reliable information regarding the integrity of the structure. Clear? So it is a very effective tool to get the information regarding the events such as earthquake or blast near our structure. And the main aim of our this SHM structural health monitoring is to get the information of our structure for each and every moment in the whole life of our structure. So in our whole life, in whole life of a structure, we can know the properties, or we can know the present state of, we can know the state of the structure at each and every moment. That is the main aim of our SHM. The SHM aim to give at every moment during the life of a structure a diagnosis of the state of the constituent material of a different part. Clear? Of a different part or of a whole as a structure, you will get the state at each and every moment during its whole life of a structure. That is main aim of our SHM. Now SHM is an tool that will find the properties of structure without destruction. So it is a one type of non-destructive evaluation. So it is an improved way to find a non-destructive evaluation. So it can be said that SHM is a new improved way to make non-destructive, but it is partially true. Now SHM involves the integration of sensor. There are many types of sensor used. The smart materials are used in that, data transmission is used, computational power is used, and the processing ability inside the structures. These are the important tools that are effective, that are used in SHM process, will give you a reliable or real time result. Clear? Thank you.